So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down until you find sysmain. You're going to double click on sysmain, change your startup type to disabled, and then click on stop, which should then make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you see any programs that you rarely use, you just want to uninstall them. So you're going to scroll down. If you see anything that you rarely use, you're going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall and then uninstall it. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. Now you want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Tools and then click on Check and then click on Scan Drive. You want to run this scan. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Startup Apps. And now you want to disable all the apps that you don't need to start up when your computer turns on. So for example, when my computer turns on, OneDrive is going to start up automatically. And I know this because it says under status enabled. It's the same thing for Microsoft Edge. When my computer turns on, Microsoft Edge will then start up automatically. I don't want this. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Edge and then click on disable. And then the status would now change to disabled. Now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.